Hello, welcome to Sorting and Filtering in Microsoft Excel 2007 Part 2. We shall see how to filter the data in Microsoft Excel. Filtering is a process of displaying only the data that we require. And how do we specify what is the kind of data that we require? By specifying conditions. So when the user specifies the conditions, Excel would show only those rows which meet the conditions specified by the user. Filtering is a fast and easy medium to retrieve data as per user requirements. How do we go about filtering the data in Microsoft Excel? Let's start with an example. So the first step is to click on any cell which contains some data. So let's look at this spreadsheet which has got marks obtained in different subjects by 5 students. There are 4 different subjects and 5 different students, and then this spreadsheet lays out different marks that each student has scored in each subject. So let me just click on any one particular value or cell that contains data. Then the second step says click on Sort and Filter button in Editing Group of Home tab. So you have the Home tab. There are multiple groups. We look for the editing group, which is this, and then we find the Sort and Filter button. Let's click on that. The third step says click Filter option, and it is supposed to display a drop-down controls next to the first cell of each column. So let's go ahead and click, and then click on Filter option. And as our instruction says, we can see that drop-down controls have been showing up on the first row of each of the column. Click the drop-down control of any column to filter the data of that particular column. So let's choose that we want to filter science marks, and so it shows various different science marks that have been scored by the students. Click on Select All checkbox to deselect it. All options will be deselected. As of now, the drop-down box is such a way that all the data in this science marks, all different data are being displayed. So by clicking on Select All, we are deselecting different all the different data combinations. Now click on those options which you want to filter and click OK. Let's say we want to see only marks 97 and 99. Then we click on OK, and we can see there are only 3 students who have scored 97 and above. Let's see, we want to see only those who scored 99. We could filter for mark 99, and we can also get a quick glance of those who scored 99 in science. How do they fare in the other subjects? So this is the simple mechanism of filtering. There is an advanced version of filtering using custom filtering. Let us see how to do that. Once again, click on any cell with data. Let's remove all the filters that we have here. Clear filters. So it's gone. And indeed, if you want to clear all the filter, it's gone. Right? So let's go from step 1. Click on any cell with data. Let's click on science again. Click on Sort and Filter button in the editing group of the Home tab. Let's do that. Click the filter option, and that should turn on the pull down controls on column headers. Click drop down control of any column to filter data of that particular column, and then point to number filters and select the greater than or equal to. So Let's choose differently this time. Let's go to maths and then click on number filters, and then we have a greater than or equal to. This displays custom auto filter dialog box. We got the custom auto filter dialog box on clicking on greater than or equal to selection under the number filters. Let's see what to do next. In the section bearing the name of the column being filtered, enter the minimum value in the drop-down box against the greater than or equal to drop-down box. So now as the instruction says, show rows where this column called math. So it shows the name of the column on which we are performing the filter function, and then it also asks us to specify a value for greater than or equal to criteria. So let us say we are interested in all values greater than or equal to 90, students who have scored 90 and above in mathematics. So let's apply that filter, and we see that there are 3 students who have scored greater than or equal to 90 in maths. So click OK to close the custom auto filter dialog box. We did that, and then we got this custom filtered set of data. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.